just want to give an update on the weather balloon project. I said last time I'd do a bit more on that basically, and yes I have. So what I've done recently, I've done a few things. Here's the main frame of the board, now done. I will try and move it around a bit more. Wire cutter battery, wire cutter MOSFET, main board, you know, I've already gone over that before. SATCOMs, GPS, mounting system, we'll get into that in a sec. Main battery, it should give a plenty, I should have hopefully over-engineered that. And heater pad, all nice and lightweight. It attaches through the, oh by the way I started making the box, wow. That's where the GoPro's going. It basically gets pulled up into here, let me pull this up. Like this, in hindsight. And then there is a top plate, this little guy, and then it will basically wrap around here. And mount point obviously for balloons here. The parachute will mount here, these 4 points here basically. There's a wire cutter in here as well, so I've got some nichromium wire. It's good it's an alloy material. It's good for resistance heating wire basically. So if you apply current to that, this will actually cut. So it gives me a fail-safe. Box is fairly thick. So that's one end of the box. Bottom cap. Had fun with hot wire cutting all of the 45s into this, thanks to that pull. And pretty ugly epoxy glue, but it means you can get access to unplug it, etc., charge it, blah blah blah. Yeah, so going well. Just need to get a GoPro off someone, Paul in that particular case, mount that in here, mount the probe into it, then I can basically fix the top section into here permanently, well permanently as it comes, and then we can go for a flight test with it. What'll be quite cool, I want to check the altimeter works because a lot of things rely off that. I might have an idea for that, using a syringe as well. Maybe I'll do that in another little quick update. But, nichromium wire, I've got some here actually. So I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there we go, whoopsie. String going through, it's like I've wrapped it around a drill bit, so nice little coil, but I hold this up, apply a tiny amount of power, a lot less than what we'll actually have. You can get it to glow as well, like this. See? Gone. Pretty cool stuff. This is set to a 4-second bursts, etc., etc. But obviously I've got this cranked up quite high. I expect this will glow as well. Cut through things pretty well. Yeah, hopefully that'll give you an update to that anyway. So going well. Done a lot of testing. Found some bugs. I've been checking a lot of the receive stuff for that wire cutter because it's a fail-safe, the wire cutter. I want the balloon to explode, or we want the balloon to explode, as that's the most fun way of doing things, because it gets you the maximum altitude. So once we're done the flight test, we'll then look at sourcing the right size parachute, then the right size balloon, the right amount of helium, then we'll contact the CEA. Then we go down the CEA route to work out, hey, what the hell do we do to make sure this isn't illegal, basically. Yeah, it's been a lot of fun actually. Nice to actually see it finally going into a frame, so apologies for the delay on that. You know, I get distracted with other projects and all. But we're getting there, so thank you very much. I'll catch you next time.